Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the iPad and the Surface Pen. Turn on Bluetooth in Settings, make sure the iPad OS is up to date, and verify the pen has fresh battery power. Once done, press and hold the pen's top button for about 7 seconds to enter pairing mode. Watch for the pen to appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap to pair. You need to act now. This gets the devices connected, even though not all advanced features will be available on iPad. After pairing, test the pen immediately in Apple Notes or a Sketch app to confirm taps and strokes register. You'll notice basic writing and navigation work, tap, drag, and draw, to annotate documents or sign forms. Make sure to try the pen's top or side button to trigger in-app shortcuts. Some apps will respond to clicks. Keep in mind, iPad won't support all Surface Pen pressure or tilt features, so choose apps that accept standard Bluetooth stylus input for the best experience. To finish, configure each app's stylus settings, enable palm rejection, tweak smoothing, and assign any available shortcuts. If you experience lag, missed strokes, or the pen disconnects, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart the iPad, and if applicable, replace the pen battery. Then repair. If issues persist or you need pressure and tilt reliably, consider using an Apple Pencil or a third-party stylus explicitly supported by iPad OS. This one troubleshooting step usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.